The discovery of the Antikythera mechanism has captivated scientists, historians, and the general public since it was first found among the wreckage of a Roman-era ship in 1901. This ancient Greek analog computer, estimated to date back to the 2nd century BCE, is believed to have been used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses for calendrical and astrological purposes. When first encountered, the mechanism was little more than a collection of corroded bronze fragments, but it soon became apparent that these pieces were part of an intricate and sophisticated device unparalleled in the ancient world. The mechanism consists of a complex system of gears, with over 30 meshing bronze gears discovered so far. Each gear was carefully crafted, its teeth painstakingly cut to precise specifications, indicating a high level of technological and engineering expertise. The device was likely housed in a wooden frame and operated by turning a hand crank, which would then move the gears to display the positions of the sun, moon, and possibly the planets. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Antikythera mechanism is the sheer scope of its functions. It not only tracked the lunar and solar cycles, but also predicted solar and lunar eclipses, calculated the timing of the ancient Olympic Games, and possibly charted the positions of known planets. Researchers have used advanced imaging techniques, including 3D X-ray tomography and high-resolution surface scanning, to explore the structure and function of the mechanism in detail. Their findings have revealed inscriptions that were previously hidden, providing deeper insights into the astronomical and mathematical understanding of its creators. The Antikythera mechanism's discovery has led to a re-evaluation of ancient Greek technology and poses intriguing questions about what other knowledge and inventions may have been lost to time. It stands as a testament to the ingenuity and curiosity of the human spirit, reminding us that even in ancient times, our ancestors strove to understand and map the cosmos with remarkable precision and creativity.